Still dispatching technicians using spreadsheets, phone calls, or whiteboards. As your home service business grows, manual dispatching quickly becomes one of your biggest bottlenecks. Missed appointments, inefficient routes, and frustrated customers can cost your business thousands of dollars every month. So, how do you use AI for home services dispatching? In this video, I'll show you how AI helps dispatch jobs faster, optimize technician routes, reduce fuel costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Let's start with the basics. AI dispatching uses artificial intelligence to automatically assign jobs, optimize routes, and help dispatchers make smarter decisions. Instead of manually deciding which technician gets which job, what route they should take, and who is closest to the customer, AI analyzes everything instantly. It considers technician location, skill set, traffic conditions, job priority, appointment windows, drive time, and existing schedules. Then it recommends the best dispatch plan in seconds. Instead of reacting to problems, you're preventing them. Most growing home service businesses eventually experience the same problems. Dispatchers spend hours scheduling jobs, planning routes manually takes time, and as jobs increase, scheduling becomes increasingly difficult. Technicians drive too much, poor routing means extra mileage, higher fuel costs, and less time serving customers. Customers experience delays, traffic and inefficient routes lead to missed appointment windows. Emergency jobs disrupt the schedule. A same-day plumbing leak or HVAC breakdown forces dispatchers to rebuild the entire day's schedule. And communication becomes overwhelming. Dispatchers constantly answer, "Where is my technician? When will they arrive? What changed?" Manual dispatching simply can't keep up. Let's look at the biggest advantages of AI dispatching. Smart technician assignment. AI automatically recommends the best technician based on current location, skills and certifications, availability, and workload. The right technician gets the right job. Route optimization. AI creates the fastest route between appointments. Instead of wasting time driving, technicians spend more time working. Real-time schedule adjustments, traffic accident, emergency service request, or customer cancellation. AI instantly recommends updated routes without disrupting the rest of the schedule. Better appointment scheduling. AI helps reduce gaps between appointments while minimizing drive time. That means more completed jobs every day. Live GPS tracking. Dispatchers can see exactly where technicians are, helping them respond quickly to unexpected delays. Automatic customer notifications. Customers receive ETA updates, arrival notifications, and service confirmations, without dispatchers making extra phone calls. Business insights. AI helps managers understand technician productivity, drive time, fuel consumption, on-time arrival rates, and completed jobs. Better data leads to better business decisions. Imagine an HVAC company with 10 technicians and 45 service calls every day. Before AI dispatching, dispatch planning took nearly 2 hours, technicians crossed the city multiple times, and customers regularly called asking for ETAs. After implementing AI-powered dispatching with Upper Route Planner, route planning completed in minutes, drive time reduced by 25%, fuel costs decreased, technicians completed more service calls, and customer satisfaction improved through accurate ETAs. The business increased revenue without hiring additional dispatch staff. If you're planning to implement AI dispatching, follow these best practices. Keep technician schedules updated at all times. Define technician skills and certifications clearly. Use realistic service time estimates for each job type. Optimize routes every morning before the day begins. Leave room for emergency appointments in the schedule. And track key performance metrics every week. Small improvements add up to major gains over time. If you're looking for an easier way to manage dispatching, Upper Route Planner helps home service businesses simplify their entire operation. With Upper, you can automatically optimize technician routes, dispatch jobs in seconds, reduce fuel costs, track technicians in real time, manage recurring service appointments, and send customer ETA notifications. Whether you run HVAC, plumbing, electrical, landscaping, pest control, appliance repair, cleaning services, or pool service, Upper helps your team complete more jobs while spending less time on the road. Start your free trial today and experience AI-powered dispatching for your business. AI isn't replacing dispatchers. It's helping them make faster, smarter decisions. If your home service business is still relying on manual scheduling, now is the perfect time to modernize your dispatch process. Try Upper Route Planner today and see how AI-powered routing can help your team save time, reduce costs, and deliver better service. The link is in the description below.